Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to unbox this Vedic Wellness Pumpkin Seeds. Recently, this got delivered, so let us take this package outside and see the quality. And I got this for rupees 469 rupees and 20 rupees in the form of this Flipkart coins. No, yeah, 469 plus 20. So let us open this first. Yeah, I just break this, and this comes with the bottle actually. Yeah, let me take this out. Yeah, see here, Vedic pumpkin seeds, and right now there is a Flipkart sale going on, and now it is even for the lesser price now. Yeah, so let us open this. Actually, there is some another what is this package here, a thin plastic cover is there. I just removed that. Okay, that is not included in the video recording. Yeah, this is of 1 kilo weight. Okay, I just compared the offline stores. It was like 520 rupees, as I'm getting lesser, like 40 rupees lesser price, so I prefer to buy online. See here, Vedic Wellness, feed yourself, feed your family the best. Okay, pumpkin seeds. Okay, don't think otherwise. This video is not a recommendation or anything to buy this or to consume these pumpkin seeds, just as the price comparison. And I want to just show you the quality of the seeds here inside. So just for that purpose I'm doing this video. As I'm getting like 50 rupees lesser price, I need to check or compare the quality actually. Let us take this. Yeah, see here, I'll be showing you the closer look here. Okay, these are not too small. Okay, the ones I purchased offline are similar to this, and the quality is also decently good. Let me taste this. These are raw pumpkin seeds, okay, not the roasted ones. Yes, the taste feels fresh and good. Okay, and the size is also not too small. Okay, and please do ask your questions if you do have any questions on this product. See, and it got 4.2 rating. That's the reason I bought this. These are raw pumpkin seeds. Okay, yeah, and you can see this is of 1 kilo weight. Okay, and here the good thing is we are getting the jar. The jar quality is decently good, not very delicate. Okay, you can say it is decently good, you can strong, and this lid is also strong enough, very strong enough. Okay, yeah.